Hello everyone, welcome to our official YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. I am Professor Srinath Karli from Civil Engineering Department. Today we are going to cover Introduction to Construction Materials. So moving forward, you can see this all are construction materials which we are going to use in any type of building or any type of construction, right? So these are the contents. First one, we are going to cover stone, brick, types of lime, cement, iron, ceramic, timber, sand, aggregates. So moving to the introduction part, there are both naturally and artificially available materials. So naturally available materials are clay, earth, wood, timber, fine aggregates, rock, etc. etc. and artificial are which are man-made and also called as anthropogenic sources like cement, brick, steel, tiles, ceramic, paints, varnishes, glass, plastic, stone, lime, etc. So properties of material, so this is very important, like toughness of materials, and for every material the strength is also important, and compressive strength. So compressive strength is the ability of a material to withstand the stress from both the directions due to compressive forces. So any material has to withstand the stress due to compressive forces. That material can be said as an strong in compressive strength. So now comes a stone. We are discussing stone, hard solid non-metallic mineral matter especially used in a building. Requirement of stone, its particular requirement is structure. Its structure is very important, stratified and unstratified. If unstratified is also there, we are also going to use in some construction of buildings, etc. Stratified is good appearance, right? It should be a red and brown colored. Weight, preferred lightweight are used for domes and arches. Fitness of grains, non-crystalline, and durability, the stone should have a property resist atmosphere, rain, water, snow, etc. So Kailash temple in Ellora caves in Aurangabad district has one of the biggest cut structures in India, or stone structures in India. We are moving to type of snow. Stones are obtained from various rocks, such as it is classified into three parts: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. Igneous rocks are those rocks which are find from the cooling and condensation of the magma, and sedimentary rocks are the rocks which are sedimented particles, and the metamorphic rock are which form due to the heat and pressure in the subsoil and soil subgrade. Next is we are going to discuss about the uses of stone. As seen in this image, the foundation, walls, column, arches, blocks, everywhere the stone is used. In hydraulic structures like dam and bridges, we are also going to use the stone. In retaining walls, still now in this generation, in this technology also, the stone is very important part in retaining wall, and further as a ballast in permanent way in railways, right? In to make a concrete in the form of a coarse aggregate, we are going to use this stone especially. Stone, you can see the example. Not only this pyramid of Egypt, there are so many other examples like pyramid of Argolis, pyramid of Cestius, Lac votive pyramids, great pyramid of Cholula, Sukua Java pyramids, etc. etc. Now we are moving to the brick part. Bricks are rectangular blocks made from the clay. So composition of bricks should have a free from pebbles, alkalis, matter, vegetables and iron pyrites, and it should contain alumina around 20 to 30%, silica around 50 to 60%, lime less than 5%, magnesia 0.1%, iron oxide 5 to 6%. So fire bricks were using around before 3000 BC. They were using the fire bricks for the strongest material building materials, and averagely 6.6 annual growth is recorded in India, and around 500 billion bricks equivalent to machinery units in which they are going to use in a construction is going to be estimated by the year 2030, around 500 billion bricks. Requirement of bricks: color of brick should be red and copper and uniform. Edges should be very sharp, free from organic matter. There should be metallic ringing sound. Importance of bricks: you people have been seeing the importance of bricks that we are going to use in every type of construction, in building construction, flooring, use in lintel, column construction, clay products, eco-friendly, because it is very eco-friendly, cheap and easily available. Types of bricks: there are two types of bricks readily available in the market: traditional bricks, standard bricks. The size is given below. Bricks are classified according to the manufacturer, as per the manufacturing: hand molded and machine molded. Bricks are classified as per the quality: first grade, grade A quality; second class, grade B; third class, grade C quality; and fourth class, grade D quality. In first class bricks, you will observe that it has a very good shape and very good points and corners, likewise shown in the image. Moving forward to the lime. Lime is a product which contains an calcium and inorganic materials. Requirement of lime: good lime, it should not contain impurities, provide good plasticity and workability, it should set easily, moisture resistance, slake easily with water, and it should have a low shrinkage value. Leading to the production countries which are producing the lime, as India is the leading country which produces lime of about 16 million metric tons respectively. We are going to discuss the use of lime, uses of lime. Lime is used in a treatment of water and wastewater. It is also used in the manufacturing of glass. It is used as lime mortar for machinery works for buildings. It is used for plastering, also for waterproof structures. Moving towards the topic cement. You have been seeing cement in your construction industry. So this is a product obtained by burning well proportioned mixture of siliceous, argillaceous and calcareous materials and crushing them into some grey color fine particles. India is the second largest cement producer in world as per 8% of global installed capacity. As of 2009, India has produced, and almost India has reached 334 million tons in year 2020. The cement production is estimated to be 550 million metric tons by 2020. So these are some ingredients of cement which is required to strengthen the cement and for the better quality of the cement. Like first one is silica, it provides the strength. Second is lime, it also provides the strength. Alumina makes the cement quick setting. Iron oxide provides color, hardness and strength. Magnesia provides hardness and color. Calcium sulfate increases the initial time settings. Some types of cement we are going to discuss: the normal setting, ordinary Portland cement, rapid hardening Portland cement, quick setting cement, pozzolana Portland cement, low heat cement, blast furnace cement, white cement, sulfate cement and colored cement. So cement has some properties which we are going to discuss. First one is the setting of the cement. So hardening of cement is different, and time required to set depends upon the three parts: temperature, percentage of water added, humidity of atmosphere. So initial setting time should not be less than 30 to 60 minutes and final setting time should not be more than 10 hours, right? We are going to the metal part. You know, as we are daily using metals in construction industries, in our daily life requirements, it should have a sufficient strength to bear the loads coming to them, provide resistance to corrosion and weather actions, it should provide a resistance to fire and heat, good adhesion with cement and concrete. This word metal comes from the Greek word metallion. This is the most abundant metal in the universe, which is iron. Very most abundant because it is easily available metal and in the every part of the countries. So these are the types of iron: hematite, magnetite, siderite, limonite, pyrite. It is used in galvanizing to make pipes. The strength and life of a building depends upon stability and durability of RCC structures. In bridge metals used in a large way. So metals are used in our day life in construction industry. It is very huge demand as of now. We are moving to the next topic is ceramic. Requirement of ceramics are provide resistance to strains, easy to clean. It should be slippery while wet, non-slippery while wet, durable and easy to handle. So heavy in weight. It is not so heavy because we can use it in construction industries also. Alone Gujarat, the 70% ceramic production is from Gujarat, and diamonds, rubies and zirconic are all ceramics only. We are moving forward. Properties of ceramics. Ceramics are hard, strong, dense material. It should have a low ductility, good resistance power. It should be stable in environment. Electric insulators. I will show you the image. This is a ceramic we so called as a vitrified tiles. Fine. These are ceramics as you seen. Timber. Wood prepared for use in building and carpentry. So timber is actually a processed form. It have a requirements when using in a construction industry or buildings. It should be dark uniform color, dense, workable, good machinability, uniform texture. So timber is the most expensive wood in the world. Comes from the rarest trees. It's called an African blackwood, and it's cost you around 20 lakhs per cubic meter. It's yes, 20 lakhs per cubic meter. It's very expensive. So it should have a fresh cut log surface, free from cracks, splits, swab, etc. When it is struck, it should produce a sonorous sound. Properties of timber. Of course, it has a low heat conductivity. It should have a small bulk density, relative height strength, volume changes when moisture content. Its long life. Importance of timber is used in walls, scaffolding, temporary structures, beam, doors, windows. In every type of a building construction, timber is an important product, and it is also used in transport due to lesser weight, easy handling, used in furniture decoration of buildings. So this is a processed timber. You can see as we are moving forward for sand topic. Sand is naturally available materials. It should be clean from organic and vegetable matter, contains sharp, angular and durable grains, well graded. No, it does not contain salts and abstract moisture. Permeable clay content should be 3 to 4% in sand. So in India, Andhra Pradesh is the most producing sand industries. It's around the state produces 883 tons. It's around 72% of the sand is produced in Andhra Pradesh in whole year. 72%. Properties of sand should be naturally available material. It should be durable, mixed with binding material easily, shiny luster, whitish brown color. You have seen the sand everywhere else. We are moving forward to aggregates. So aggregates is divided into, in construction, civil engineering is divided into two types: coarse aggregate and fine aggregates. Fine aggregates are the particles which are less than or which are passing through the 4.mm sieve, and coarse aggregates which are the particles which are retained above the 4.5mm micro sieve. So aggregates is a broad category, and we can define as a medium grained particulate material used in construction, including sand, gravel, crushed stone, slag, recycled concrete, etc. Aggregate is the most mined materials in the world. Around 400 tons of aggregate required for the construction of just a modern homes. Only 400 tons. Imagine 15,000 tons is required for construction for the school buildings. Aggregates 15,000 tons. Requirement of aggregates: sufficiently strong. It should be hard, durable and tough. Aggregate surface should be rough and free from cracks. It should have a good soundness. Use of aggregates: fine aggregates are used to prepare cement mortar, lime mortar and cement concrete. Coarse aggregates are used to prepare cement concrete. Fine aggregates are used in masonry, plaster, flooring, work in building construction, etc. Properties: they are insoluble in water, they are moderate weight, they possess strong and durable characteristics, they have a resistance to scratches. These are the aggregates, type of coarse aggregates we can see, and this type of aggregate is used in ballast also in railways. Now we are moving forward. Yes, importance, of course. What is the importance? Aggregate, as I said, 15,000 tons of aggregate is just used for the school building. So we can imagine that how many buildings are there and how much aggregates we needed, and it's in a huge demand. So of course there is a much more importance of aggregate, sand and all these particles. So they have a very good adhesion with cement, bitumen like binder material. Coarse aggregate are used in RCC structures of building. They provide strength and stability of the building. So I am concluding my lecture here. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you. Thank you very much.